Hello.
Hello, hi. Sir Bokato, Bokabi, right?
Happy December, happy December.
Sir Joko.
Haribo!
Thank you.
Curtis Morung!
আপনি তাই ইঙ্গিত করে দিলাম সেকশন তো
Hey. This whole tight, this whole tight. Gandola tight. Hoy. Ini ana.
Excuse me!
Oh my god!
All of us over Nagaland and across the world, by the grace of God, due to the situation of pandemic, in the land of Nagas, the Chakhesang Morung is also being hosted. This year, Hornbill 2021, which is the 24th edition, the Chakhesang Morung is being hosted by the Pygmy Welfare Union Kohima on behalf of the Chakhesang people, where the traditional way of eatable things are being made available here. The Morung is being also renovated, and out of the 16 Morungs being here at Kisama, the Chakhesang Morung is also one of the only type that cover with the original traditional attire of like catch house, and then even the inside also is of all original kinds, and we're happy for that also. And then nothing more to say, but all the eatable things like traditional way, local pork, local dog, local chicken, and then other things are all making available here along with the maize tea. So people from across the world and the tourist people are welcome to our Morung, and then we are also happy at this moment that at this time, our own village people, the Peg village culture, is being arrived here at the spot right now. We are very happy, and then we welcome them also, and then sharing this importance of the Morung, which is very important, and then the advance, the first one, which is being put, the Chakhesang Morung test house is being built on both sides, where the Feast of Merit is being observed more than one time on both sides. The horn, the Kisama Morung horn is being put upside also, and then people across the world, both the local tourists and the international tourists are being visiting now and then. We're happy for that also, and then we're actually people will come and enjoy it along with us and can experience our traditional way of culture. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.